Koreans may not be the prime examples of the SUV business, however KIA TELLURIDE is a declaration to the maker's unadulterated endeavors in making what's otherwise called the 2020 World Car of the Year. Propelled by Kia as of late, the 2020 Telluride brags of some dynamite-pulling abilities that stay unparalleled to date. This stupendous SUV guarantees you get from direct A toward point B in the plushest arrangement $45K could purchase. Not simply that, the Telluride has additionally been gave to with a couple of more honors, for example, the 2019 Top Safety Pick and North American Utility Vehicle of the Year. Presently, with such a significant number of variables backing up this Korean, the 2020 KIA TELLURIDE is without a doubt an arrangement you can't state not to. What's more, if the year 2021 is clearing a path for a refreshed model, it would all simply get more diligently. Kia is no new maker in the nation, and most definitely, the Korean has no red stamps in its history. One of the A-grade subjects in its report card is the hit into valuing. The 2020 KIA TELLURIDE begins at $31,690 and goes as long as the $44,000 mark. On the off chance that there are no significant changes in the replacement, we expect the 2021 KIA TELLURIDE to be estimated around $32,000 for the base trim, and ought not request more than $45,000 for the most excessive one.